Hi, in front of me is Realme 7i, and today I would like to show you how you can customize keyboard's theme on this device. Start by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down. Now click on Additional Settings, then Keyboard and Input Method, your current keyboard, in my case Gboard 1, and Theme. Now you need to click on plus sign under My Themes and select photo that you want to apply as your keyboard's background. So I will go with, for example, that one. Now you can pinch it to scale and drag it to move. When you're done, tap Next, adjust brightness by swiping left or right, click Done, and tap on the switcher next to keyboards to enable or disable them. Lastly, click Apply. Now when I go back, I can see that my keyboard was successfully customized. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!